Hello, this is How To Bob, and I made this video to show you some of the different pieces you may come across if you are repairing a window. If you watched my other video, I repaired a window, and this is the pivot shoe that I used. You can see it has a cam lock in it. When you spin the cam, it actually pushes out on the side, which causes it to lock the window into place. Most pivot shoes work the same way. Here's a different one here. This one has a hook on the top, but it still has the cam lock. So when the window's tilted out towards you, it locks it into the channel. This one hooks onto a spring balance, you can see here, and it hooks in at the bottom of the spring balance like this one is right here. Now some windows use a torsion spring like my previous video, and some use a spring like this one here for a balance, and other windows use what's called a coil balance. It's just a coil of metal here, and it's inside the shoe here that slides up and down, and it coils back up, and that attaches to the channel, and then it gives pressure to the window and pulls up on it. You can see it hooks into the window right here. This is the coil that goes inside of the pivot shoe, and this is the pivot shoe. Now there'll be a bottom for the pivot rail to hook into, but this is basically what a pivot shoe looks like with a coil that goes into it. If you found these window repair videos useful, please like and subscribe. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.